If you're curious if AI has any more room to grow, well, it's estimated that for the next 8 years, AI will have an annual growth of 36% a year.
If you are thinking about future-oriented investing in 2026, few themes are as compelling as artificial intelligence, AI. AI is rapidly transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, robotics, autonomous vehicles, natural language processing, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Rather than picking individual stocks, many investors choose AI-focused ETFs, exchange-traded funds, to gain diversified exposure across leading companies shaping this technological revolution. In this script, we'll explore the top AI ETFs worth considering in 2026, how they work, their benefits and risks, and why AI remains one of the most powerful long-term investment themes. One of the most popular AI ETFs is Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF. This fund targets companies involved in robotics and artificial intelligence technologies worldwide. It includes businesses operating in industrial automation, autonomous systems, machine learning, and intelligent computing. The BOTZ ETF provides exposure to global leaders from developed and emerging markets, reflecting the inherently international nature of AI innovation. For investors who want diversified access to both robotics and AI hardware/software companies, this ETF offers a balanced solution. Strong demand for automation in manufacturing and logistics, coupled with rapid advances in machine learning, positions BOTZ as a core holding for future-focused portfolios. Another top ETF in the AI space is iShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Multisector ETF. IRBO takes a broader approach, investing across sectors that benefit from AI adoption, including technology, healthcare, industrials, and consumer services. Rather than concentrating on a narrow set of AI applications, IRBO tracks an index of companies whose products and services are expected to benefit significantly from the growth of robotics and AI. Its diversified sector exposure makes it appealing for investors who seek wide AI market representation. Since IRBO holds hundreds of stocks, it can help reduce single-company risk while capturing long-term AI growth across multiple industries. The IRKQ Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF is another compelling choice for 2026. This actively managed ETF focuses on autonomous technology and robotics, areas closely linked with AI development. Unlike passively tracking funds, ARKQ's managers use research-driven selection to target companies with disruptive AI and robotics potential. This includes artificial intelligence platforms, autonomous vehicles, 3D printing, energy storage, and space exploration technologies. Because ARKQ takes a bold and concentrated approach, it may show greater short-term volatility than more diversified ETFs. However, investors seeking exposure to disruptive innovation might find its research-oriented strategy rewarding over the long run. For those who want exposure to AI through more established mega-cap companies, Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund remains an important consideration. Although not a pure AI ETF, XLK holds many leading tech giants heavily involved in AI research and deployment, such as Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Apple. These companies contribute large portions of the AI ecosystem, from cloud-based AI services to advanced semiconductors and consumer AI products. While XLK is broader than an AI-specific fund, its exposure to industry leaders makes it a practical choice for investors seeking growth with comparatively lower volatility. Another AI-themed ETF worth mentioning is First Trust Nasdaq Artificial Intelligence and Robotics ETF. ROBT tracks an index that includes both AI developers and users, giving exposure to companies that integrate AI into their core operations. By blending developers and adopters of AI technology, ROBT offers a diversified lens on the AI revolution that captures innovation as well as real-world commercial adoption. However, there are risks to consider. The AI sector tends to be volatile because technological breakthroughs, regulatory changes, competitive pressures, and macroeconomic conditions can quickly shift market sentiment. Some AI-focused ETFs are concentrated in specific areas such as robotics hardware or emerging tech, which may magnify short-term fluctuations. Additionally, valuation multiples in high-growth AI stocks can be elevated, meaning prices may already reflect optimistic future earnings, which increases downside risk if growth slows. A disciplined investment strategy is essential when investing in AI ETFs. Many financial experts recommend using systematic investment plans, SIPs, or dollar-cost averaging to reduce the impact of market volatility. Instead of timing the market, SIPs allow investors to invest fixed amounts periodically, smoothing entry prices over time. Setting a long-term horizon, typically 5 to 10 years or more, is also advisable for thematic investments like AI, as it gives time for innovation cycles to mature and for companies to convert growth into earnings. Geopolitical and regulatory factors can also influence AI ETF performance. Data privacy laws, antitrust enforcement, and international trade tensions can impact key AI companies, especially those with global operations. Staying informed about industry trends and regulatory developments is important for long-term investors. In summary, AI-focused ETFs offer a compelling way to participate in one of the most transformative investment themes of the 21st century. From diversified funds like BOTZ and IRBO to innovation-driven options like ARKQ and ROBT, these ETFs provide exposure across the AI value chain, covering hardware, software, robotics, autonomous systems, and machine learning applications. While risk and volatility are inherent to high-growth sectors, disciplined investing with diversified exposure can help capture the long-term upside of artificial intelligence. As you plan your 2026 investment strategy, consider the role that AI ETFs might play in building a future-oriented, resilient portfolio.